Hey guys, welcome to Drew Tutorial. If you are new here, special welcome. In this video, I will show you how to watch Premier League on Roku. So the first thing that we are going to do is to of course open it. Now as you can see right here, I'm currently using Google TV instead of a Roku TV. Well, it will still work. So all you have to do is to follow my step, regardless if you are using a Google TV or a Roku TV. Now, of course, all we have to do first in our TV is to look for Google Play Store. Now you'll just have to look for Google Play Store. And in my case, it is located on apps and it might be different from Roku TV. But once you find it, you'll just have to open it. And then on the search bar, just search for the available streaming platforms on your country that offers streaming of Premier League. So if you are from the United States, Paramount Plus offers a Premier League live streaming. But if you're from Canada, it's a different platform. And also, if you are from UK, it is also a different platform. So you just have to know first what platform you can use in your country. And let's say, for example, that we are from the United Kingdom. So we're going to search for HBO Max. And then we're going to search for it. And then we're going to open this right here and then install it. So as you can see, I have already installed it. However, if you haven't installed it yet, make sure that you do so and then click on open. And then after that, once you open HBO Max on your Roku, just click on agree right here. And then in this part, we're going to click on sign in if we already have an account. But if we don't have an account yet, we're going to click on get started. And then once you do that, you're going to have to scan this code using your phone. And then basically in that phone, that is where the sign up process is going to take you. So you'll have to put your username, the email, the subscription that you want to avail, and of course your payment method. And then once you have successfully availed their subscription, this TV right here or Roku TV will now be automatically logged in into your HBO Max account. So after that, you can now watch Premier League inside Roku. So if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. That would be much appreciated. And that is basically it.